Sir?
Okay.
Only for that reason. Kasi, can you imagine Heidelin Diaz engaging in destabilization with, ha?
Why not?
Well, walang ginawa yung kundi di ba tapos makikialam siya. It doesn't make sense to me, ha? Unless, sabi ko nga, yung intelligence community performed an excellent intelligence work na talagang ganong kalalim yung kanilang pagsasagawa ng intelligence, yung pag-gather intelligence, or baka na-infiltrate na sila ni Bicoy.
So incredible na, hindi na credible, sir.
Medyo incredible. At this point in time, at face value, of course, they will have to explain yung circumstances leading to the involvement or alleged involvement of Heidelin Diaz and Ms. Gretchen Ho. At least, yung dalawa. The only person na talagang involved sa effort to overthrow the government, yon talagang I will not contest that because he's been doing that for the past 50 years, si Joe Masison.
At saka, sir, di ba kapag may mga ganyan?
Yun talaga tama yon.
Mhm.